Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today we'll explain how to apply animation presets to the text layer.
Let's begin. Let's start.
After Effects offers a number of animation presets that can be used to make text animations. Template text animation, also called animation preset, can be easily applied to the text layer while checking animation on Adobe Bridge. Select the text layer in the timeline panel. Then, from the animation in the menu bar, click Browse Presets. The Presets folder appears like this when Adobe Bridge starts. There are various animation presets in the Presets folder. Now I will open them by clicking the Text folder. Select your favorite preset from the displayed presets, and then you check the animation of the preset on the right side of the preview screen. When double-clicking the preset, it will be applied to the selected text layer. Let's check the animation by pressing the play button from the preview panel. From the window on the menu bar, click Effects and Presets to display the Effects and Presets panel. From the animation presets in the Effects and Presets panel, click Text to display the animation presets, then select the preset you like. You can apply effects by dragging and dropping it directly from the Effects and Presets panel to the text layer. Alternatively, you can also apply the effect by first selecting the text layer and then double-clicking the preset. Finally, let's play it on the preview panel. This is the end of the lecture on how to apply animation presets to the text layer.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.